Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to pack 9 of the build-up of the Mustang Eleanor from our wonderful, wonderful friends over at Fanhome. Now, there's a link coming up in the description here where you can go and grab your very own Eleanor, so hit the link up below. It's also in the description. That will take you to the site where you can start your very own subscription. The instructions are just on the right there, and we are putting together on this episode the other brake disc assembly with the wheel hub and brake caliper. But we've also got a bit of a treat in the second part of this video, because as you can see, you've got a modified brake disc here that's got the holes in it, etc., moulded on there. Now, we'll put this together as if you're not going to do the modifications, folks. So, first things first, line them 2 little pins up in the back like that, and it will just click into place, and then put the brake caliper in like so. Turn it around, and this little screw goes in the front when you attach the wheel. So we'll put that into place for now, like that. And that is pretty much the brake on the hub complete as to what it would be if you was doing a regular Eleanor build. But I'm a scale modeler, and I like to change things up a little bit and detail them up for myself. So I'm going to modify this in the next part of the video, but that's complete for now for you folks that are doing it regularly. But if you want to change it to that one in my right hand, then carry on watching, because you're in for the treat. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I did all of this right now, because I've had a look on the internet and found some pictures of a Mustang, and I kind of liked the look of the black rear covers, the red caliper, etc. So I thought to myself, do you know, on my Eleanor build, I'm going to do that. So it started me off with some modification ideas that I want to do. Now, there's nothing wrong with the existing kit, but like I've said, I'm a scale modeler, and I kind of just want to go that little bit extra with it. So if you want to see how I did it, grab a cup of tea, sit back and watch.